in terms of how we can help you with those leadership workshops and that facilitation. We're really good at getting order to the chaos of emotions when it's about change. So, whether it's sitting down with your leaders or your staff and they have this chaotic, like, but what about, we're really good at picking through all that and coming up with something that makes sense to people. We're also really good, Georgia is really good at building an approach to comms and engagement, whether that's internal or external. If you need that support and advice, we can definitely help with that. And my specialism is how do we do change well from a psychology point of view. So if it is that kind of facilitating that workforce-driven approach and teaching people in your organisations how to do that, I actually ran a training session on that this week. For an organisation that's a housing ALMO that's been brought back in-house. So it's very similar in terms of identity, power, a long period of time, all of that. We've trained up their people in how to do workforce-driven approach to change, and we've seen a big change in terms of innovation, staff engagement. It's all shot up because it hits those three things around autonomy, competence and relationships. It really does work. And also additional capacity, because as I said, it is a huge amount of work. So if you want us as a change partner or just help and support, then we are here for you.